Alright, so back down at Sydney BMX Park and finally finished the build on this Norco Rampage. It's my dream build now. All finally done. So it's a Rampage team frame. It's got the RockShox Pike DJs on the front, because what else would you want? On the front we have the Hope Pro 4 hubs. Okay, then for the bars, we have the Renthal Phat bar carbon bars. I've cut them down to 790. We have the Cane Creek Hellbender headset. We've got an Odyssey seat. On the back end here, we have another Hope Pro 4 hub in purple. Plus we have the V4 E4 calipers with a 160 rotor. And the thing I love most is we have the Eewings titanium cranks, the 5-dev pedals, and then we've also got the 5-dev chainring 32 tooth. Overall, this thing is looking pretty sweet, and there's not much that's been spared on it. The only thing left to do now is just hit the park and shred the jumps. Let us know what you think.